It's our first contest.
Yeah.
And it was a lot of fun for us. And thank you. Hey, Mom.
Hi.
So we're here, everybody. We're doing a vlog. Why are you leaning that way? We're doing a vlog. This is the follow-up vlog to the last one we did, which was about where do we live. And so I had put together a video of little snippets of different places in and around where we live. And then what we wanted was you guys, whoever was watching the video, they could put a comment, guess the answer and put it in the comments below. And it's amazing. A lot of you got involved and you gave your answers, and basically it seems like a lot of you know your cities. And so I would say that 95% of you got it right. The people who watched the video got it right. And so we are going to tell you exactly where we live. So we live, where do we live, Mom? Mom, where do we live?
We live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. To me, best city in the world. I love London too, but right now, because I lived in London where they were all born, and it was a good time.
Mm-hmm. So so just so you know, my parents did live in London before moving or emigrating to Toronto. We were all raised in Toronto and continue to live here. All of us live here in different parts of the city. I have 2 sisters and a brother, and my parents, cousins, aunts, uncles. What we're going to do is there are going to be 5 of you who guess the answer to the question correctly that we're going to that have been chosen as the winners. All you have to do is look below in the show notes, and you're going to see if you won. And so first of all, we want to thank everyone for participating. It was really fun. And it was really just great to see so many people who just had so many great things to say about Toronto, whether they live here or not. To all the winners, you are going to get either a t-shirt or you're going to get a Cook Like a Jamaican apron. And that's going to be a really cool prize because we think these are really good. The quality is good. Trust us. The quality is really good. And for those of you who didn't win, you can still purchase these. You just have to go to our website and there'll be a banner that will come up, or you can just click on shop. Either way, you can get to our apparel shop and you can purchase a t-shirt or an apron. But for the winners, we're going to send one to you as a prize along with a gold membership. So on our website, we have a gold membership. And what that is that people who want a more premium experience on our website and want access to my mom's secret recipes. So in addition to, we basically share most of our recipes. I would say probably 80% of them. But that 20% that are our treasured family recipes are only available to people who purchase a gold membership. And so we are going to give the 5 winners, in addition to a t-shirt apron, we're also going to give you a subscription to a gold membership for a year. And if you're already a gold member, thank you for being a gold member, and we will just add on an additional free year membership. Okay? So congratulations to everybody, and thank you again for participating. And as you know, we'll be continue to do videos because we love doing it. We will be doing more recipes and those types of fun videos, as well as we'll be doing, just look out for other videos like this, other vlogs, as well as more delicious recipes.
Sure, for sure.
Okay, so thank you. And again, congratulations to the winners. And what we would like you to do is please email us at cooklikeajamaican@gmail.com. The information is in the show notes. But once you get in touch with us, we will give you the information that we need from you in order to send you your prize. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. And make sure you use the email address that is connected to your Google account.
And continue to support the website. Go look up your Jamaican food and cook them.
Exactly. Well, you have your teacher right here.
Okay.
All right. So have a great weekend. Have a great week.
And enjoy the rest of the summer because you know what's coming.
Well, not everywhere. It depends on where you live.
Well, we're talking about Toronto.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, for all the Torontonians out there, enjoy the summer. We've had an amazing summer, the best weather
Wonderful
ever.
summer.
And so, oh, that's another thing I wanted to mention. In some of the comments that people were putting, they were saying, oh, definitely from Toronto. I can tell by the accent. And I was like, my accent? I was like, I have an accent? And to me, I don't think I have an accent. I just think I sound really plain. Like, I don't think, well, I guess I sound like a Canadian, but I don't sound like I have an accent to me. So, I don't know. So I just thought that was funny.
This is where the accent is, okay?
Well, we know Mom has a Jamaican accent.